This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Spacious open floor plan with a huge living room with soaring ceilings and huge windows letting in lots of light and a view of the rolling lawns. Nice kitchen with granite counters, tile floors and a second eating area. Master suite with a full bath, walk-in closet and a ceiling fan. Second bedroom has a full bath 2 plus a slider out to deck, laundry room west/BLT ends. Third floor is a finished attic great for storage. Double car detached garage accessed by private courtyard. Beautiful home. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.